Hi everyone, I'm Razeeah Belath, HR Director for British American Tobacco East and Southern Africa area. BAT is delighted to support and sponsor the manufacturing and FMCG category at this year's Accenture Rising Star Awards and demonstrate our support for talent within our industry. This category is one of the most competitive, with 64 applications having been sent through for the first round of judging. I have the privilege of announcing the top 10 semi-finalists in no particular order as follows. Annalisa Zianiati, AIT and Fiscal Affairs Manager, British American Tobacco South Africa. Miguel Quetano, International Customer Marketing Manager at Tiger Brands. Mark Adams, Planning, Procurement and Logistic Manager from Distel. Tamsin Hendricks, Brand Manager at Tiger Brands. Werner Cohen, Cosmetic Channel Head at Revlon South Africa. Mandy Brown, Regional Technical Advisor at RCL Foods. Nombuso Chunu, Quality Manager at Diageo South Africa. Bali Vilakazi, Shopper Marketing Specialist, Beauty and Personal Care, Unilever South Africa. Kirsten Lloyd, National Key Account Manager and Trade Marketing at Revlon South Africa. And finally, Ryan Peters, Head of Strategy, Planning, Route to Market and General at Distel. Good luck to all semi-finalists and all the best with the next stage of the process. Bye.